In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a score assessment in Tally.so. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is create kind of your form over here where you want to add score assessment. So this is usually quite handy if you're creating quizzes or something like that. So if you want to know how to create a quiz, I do have a separate video on how to actually create a quiz. You can go watch that where I actually go in depth, step by step from the very beginning, from actual scratch. But for this one over here, of course, we're going to use its built-in calculator to add up points based on responses, okay? And that's how you can create a score assessment. So first, as I said, you have to create your form and add questions. So I created that already. There's questions over here, and now we're gonna go and basically get started. The first thing you have to do after you have your questions, of course, you want to go to the bottom end of the very first question, and you want to go in a separate box here, in a separate block, and you want to type in /calc, and you want to click on calculated fields. Now, what you want to do in here is, of course, give it a name. We're just going to name this one score because we're assessing score. And what you want to do is score, and then you want to do select type number equals 0. So the initial value when people start our, of course, whatever that is, or quiz or form, whatever, their score is going to be a 0, okay? So they don't have any points because they haven't answered any questions yet. So that's the thing you have to do under the first question, okay? And we only have to do this once and only under the first question. So whenever you've done that, you want to go to the bottom, just below the score over here, below your first question, and add a new one. And this one is going to be conditional logic. So I'm going to click on conditional logic, insert, there we go. And then what you want to do here is, of course, select the correct answer over here, which is going to give people points and give them points to their scoreboard. So I'm going to do when. And then this first question, so which sport does not include a ball? When this is hockey, which is the correct answer, then it's going to calculate the score, add +1, and they're going to get 1 point for this, okay? I'm going to add 1 point if they answer correctly over here, and the correct answer in this case is hockey. So if, of course, the answer over here is hockey, then it's going to calculate the score to add +1 point, okay? So that's kind of the logic behind it. Now, when we've done that, you simply have to go after each and every single one of your questions and add this conditional logic, okay? So this is only under the first one. The conditional logic has to be under each and every single question because we have to give them points. So we're now going to go down here, and I'm going to add a new one here. I'm going to type in / and then I'm do con to find conditional logic. And then here it's going to be which color is in the rainbow. The correct, or of course the correct answer here would be white because it's not in the rainbow. And then you have to select, again, calculate, score, add 1 point. Then the last question for us, we're going to go over here. Again, we're going to do conditional logic over here. Then you have to go and select what, of course, answer it is. So this one is false. So if they select false over here, then it's going to calculate +1 point again. Now you can do this for every single answer. And as you can see, we've basically created a scored assessment. Now, if I go and now save this, which I have done already. I'm going to publish it right now again. There we go. I can go to preview it as well. So if I preview this, as you can see, only the questions or of course, the questions and answers are visible and not these things at the bottom. Now, of course, if you want to display that specific score at the end, you can just go ahead and add a thank you page. So we can click on the plus button and you can find a thank you page, or just type /thank and click on thank you page. And then, of course, enable it, go to down here, and you can just type in, for example, let's just do like, great, your score is, and then you can just do @score like this, and it's going to basically show them their score. Now, if you, of course, preview this, as you can see, I'm going to go and answer something random, and now I should be getting 2 points because I answered 2 questions correctly. Submit, there we go, your score is 2, okay? So that's how to create a score assessment in Tally.so. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.